In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Bing from Google Chrome on Windows and Mac and switch everything back to Google so your searches and browser defaults feel normal again. This is a super simple fix, but if Bing has taken over your Chrome search engine, it can be frustrating every time you open a new tab and start typing. The good news is you can change it in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the exact steps. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows or Mac computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu, and from the drop-down list, select Settings. This will open the main Chrome settings page. Now, on the left-hand side, look for the option that says Search Engine. Click on Search Engine, and this is where Chrome lets you control what search provider it uses by default. If Bing is currently set as your search engine, you'll want to change that here. In the Search Engine section, find the option to change the default search engine. Click the Change button, and a list of available search engines should appear. From that list, select Google. If you see Google Chrome-related options or Google search options, choose the one that sets Google as your default search engine. After selecting it, click Set as Default to confirm the change. At this point, Chrome should stop using Bing and start using Google whenever you search from the address bar or new tab page. If Bing still appears after this, you may want to check whether any browser extensions are forcing the change, or whether Chrome's startup page has been altered as well. But in most cases, switching the default search engine in settings is enough to remove Bing from Chrome completely. And that's it. You've now removed Bing from Google Chrome on Windows or Mac and reset your browser back to Google. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.